In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Playful Rewards application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to make sure we've got the Playful Rewards app download and install on our device. Open up your Player App Store, search for Playful Rewards and go ahead and install it and open it for the first time. And now this is from Playful Rewards too. Make sure you download the correct one. It's got over 1 million downloads, time recording, and close to 60k reviews. So for the first time, I want to go ahead and open up the app. Then from here, we've got the option to sign in or sign up. So welcome to the easiest way to earn gift cards. So we need to go ahead and choose our Google account, continue with Apple, continue with mobile, or we can skip and play as a guest. So I'm going to continue my Google account, choose my Google account. I'll see you on the next page. Okay, so from here, it's going to say, it might give you a bonus offer. So you can go ahead and accept that. Now, they're just going to quickly show you how it works. So basically, you want to complete the steps. So reach milestones in your game. Beat the clock, so finish them all before the time runs out and make purchases. So go faster by making in-game purchases. So click fantastic. Now, if you want a different gift card, so you can select your gift card of your choice. So we've got 3 different types here. I'm going to choose PayPal and click on Let's Get Started. Now, install a game to begin the challenge. So it must be a game you've never installed before. So just go ahead and choose a game, and it's going to show you how much money you can earn in that game. So now the highest earning games are going to be on the top. So Monopoly Go, if you haven't used that before, go ahead, select that game and just scroll down and select one that you haven't played. So I'm going to do Monopoly Go for this demonstration. Now it's going to show you how to earn money here. So Monopoly Go, we can go ahead and click on Start Playing. Now, earning only possible for new users. In-app purchases are highly recommended to complete boards faster. So if we scroll down, we can see complete milestones to earn rewards. So install is going to be 0 coins. Now, if you reach board 3, 5,000.7, etc., etc., and scroll all the way down. So if we reach 100,000 coins here, we can cash out then. So this is reach board 150, and I think the cash out is about $15. So go ahead and click on install this offer and then play the game. Now, once you play the game, once we go back to the app and click on the home page, we're going to see our coins increase the more we play and the more challenges we complete. Now we can see our next payout here. So if we click onto that, we're going to see our next payout. Now, if we want to go ahead and cash out, we can go ahead and click onto rewards, select your reward. I'm going to click PayPal, and now it's going to say PayPal, what type of reward we want to cash out. So if I've got 100,000 coins, I want to click that one, and then it's going to ask me to put in my PayPal details to accept that reward and collect it. Typically, it's going to take about 24 to 48 hours to see that money reflected into your bank account. Now, if we click onto the My Games tab, we can see all the active games you're playing, and now also the expired games here. If there's any special events, we can go ahead and check out all these special events we can try, and as you can see, they're on a timer as well. We've got arcade tab, so we can we want to go ahead and allow notifications. We can agree and continue and play games, get free rewards with arcade. Now it's going to show you what to do here. Gaining access to more games is easy, accept our terms. So yeah, go ahead and unlock more games, go through that process. Now if we go ahead and click on activity, we can see all of our activity inside of Playful Rewards and all the points we have earned. So because I've just joined, I'm going to get 5,400 points automatically. Now, if you want to go ahead and install more games, come back to the home tab and scroll down, check out all the different games and what they are offering money-wise. And then if you like one, go ahead and click on install. This one's good here. Goblin's Wood, we can earn up to $2,400 playing this game eventually. So you can install and then go through and progress through that game.